We've looked at different dimensions of the first year of the Modi Sarkar, but one place where the hopes were the highest was in Varanasi, the Prime Minister's own constituency. So what's changed and what's not over the past 365 days in and around India's holiest city? My colleague Anjana Om Kashyap travelled to Varanasi to file this special report for the newsroom.
न मुझे किसी ने भेजा है, न मैं यहाँ आया हूँ। मुझे तो माँ गंगा ने बुलाया है।
Exactly a year ago, he had made a promise. Today, that promise has been fulfilled, but only partially. The Prime Minister's constituency, Varanasi, has seen some change on the ground, most of it for the better. After a massive clean-up operation, Varanasi's Assi Ghat has been transformed. The stairs at the ghat that had been covered by silt are now visible. A result of a desilting drive started by the Prime Minister himself. But at the Dashashwamedh Ghat, where Ganga Aarti is performed every evening, it's a dismal situation. Prime Minister Modi's performance in his own constituency can be dubbed as average. Even the chief priest of Kashi Vishwanath rates Modi 4 out of 10.
गंगा पुत्र के काशीवासी भाव विभोर हो गए। उन्होंने कहा भाई जो इतने साल नहीं हो पाया वो अब होगा। संजोग ये था कि कार्य तो हुए, लेकिन जो काशी की जनता जो चाहती थी उसके अनुसार बिल्कुल नहीं हुए।
जैसे यहाँ पे एंटी रैगिंग का एक प्रोविजन है, तो ईव टीजिंग के लिए भी होना चाहिए।
सरकार 1 साल हो गए, मोदी जी जब आए थे उन्होंने बहुत जोर शोर से कहा था कि हम महिलाओं की सुरक्षा के लिए करेंगे। 1 साल बीत गए, अभी तक महिला आरक्षण विधेयक अभी तक लागू नहीं हुआ।
While Banaras is unimpressed, Prime Minister's adopted village Jayapur gives him a big thumbs up. The village, which was adopted last November under the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, is now on the road to development. Every house has a bio toilet and a water pipeline. Solar lights have been installed along the roads.
कोई बदलाव है, कुछ बदला है, कुछ नया हो रहा है?
हाँ हो रहा है।
क्या हो रहा है?
पहले से बहुत बदल गया।
क्या बदल गया?
व्यवस्था बदल गया।
और ये क्या है? ये आपके घर के बाहर
भी पैखाना हुआ,
बाथरूम बन रहा है, टॉयलेट्स बन रहे हैं यहाँ पर।
हाँ,
ये पहले नहीं था ये सब।
नहीं।
Not just that, Narendra Modi has built an imposing colony for the Dalits called Modi Ka Atal Nagar, and a resting shed with benches for villagers to meet called Pratik Shalya. It's Achhe Din for people of Jaipur for sure. With Anjana Om Kashyap, Bureau Report, India Today.